you are welcome.
Thank you.
You are indeed very much welcome. And I know that since today people have been quite busy, and for you to be able to find time after a very hectic, to come and see you. So my family and I, that's who are here today. Say welcome. A good foul. So,
First of all, it gives us great pleasure, that you have agreed, for us to pay you this courtesy visit and also to extend our condolences over the loss, of the deputy governor and more or less like the young government. And to let you know that your loss is our loss because by the grace of God, we have maintained a very brotherly and brotherly relationship. So what affects you, good or bad, also affects us. Me personally, because I know how much you have supported me, how much you have sacrificed for me, and I can't forget it. So we have come to purposely condole you on that passing away, and also to renew our commitment to our relationship. And now that we are even neighbors, our relationship should be much, much stronger because at any point in time, I can drive you here easily without thinking of the long distance or possible traffic jam.
you are the elder, so I will do more.
So, distinguished Senator Dickson, we thank you very much for allowing us to come within short notice and for the very brotherly welcome you have extended to us.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.